Hi friends, welcome back to CivilCube. I am Mohammed Said. Today we will see how to create an assembly drawing for a member in Tekla structure. First we have to change the selection switch to assembly switch. Then select a member which you want to create an assembly drawing. So here I choose this member. If you choose the assembly, it will show blue color boundary bound. So here I choose this member. Then go to drawings and report. Here click create fabrication drawing. Then click create. So now you can see a drawing was created successfully in status bar. Then to see this drawing, go to document manager, choose assembly drawing. Here you can see the drawing created date and time. A indicates for assembly drawing. Assembly marked as B1. To open this drawing, double click on it. So here you can see the assembly drawing of a member. To change this layer view, double click on the white space, then go select as steel beam plus parts option. Click modify, play OK. In this layout, you can see the grid location of a member, also the running dimension of the cleat angle from the end of a member. Here you can see the section view of end plate connection. Also, the bold distance will be marked in this section. In the bottom of the layout, you can see the bill of material table. So here the assembly marked as B1. Total number of quantity is 6 members. So the total weight of the member is 2119 kg. So this is the way to create an assembly drawing in a Tekla structure. In our next video, you will see another information. Thank you.